Yo, what's going on, guys? So I just got off work. I just pulled up to the shop right now. I'm gonna head inside and hopefully we should be able to get Jacob's engine time today. If you haven't seen the first part of this video, go ahead and click up right here. I just did a little breakdown of his car and what's done to it. So yeah, like I said, we should be able to get it time today. So let's head inside. Alright, so I'm in the shop right now. Something I want to mention when timing this engine, and I guess any MIATA engine that has a super damper, an ATI super damper. So this is actually the third attempt at trying to put this damper on the right way. The reason for that is every time we go to put it on, it bends the woodruff key right here. I don't know how well you can see that. Let me try and put it on a flat surface so you can see. Let's see. I don't know if you can tell that it's bent up. You'll be able to see like this. Yeah, that it's bent up. So the reason that's happening is it's such a tight fit on the crank itself and the slot right here, the keyway in here, that you have to put the keyway or the woodruff key halfway onto the crank, then put the damper on and make sure the woodruff key doesn't go too far into the crank while you're tightening the crank bolt to push the damper on. I know that's going to be hard to understand without seeing it, but essentially Jacob already timed this engine a few days ago, maybe a week ago now, got everything aligned, got the cam gears aligned, the crank line, everything done, got it timed. And he went to turn it over by hand, you know, just with a ratchet and a socket, and the belt, the timing belt, kept backing off the cam gears, and he couldn't figure out why. And the reason the belt kept coming off and backing off the cam gears is because, let me show you, let me see if I can show you, right down here, the keyway on the crank. When you put the woodruff key on the crank, put the damper on, and started tightening it, the key went too far into the slot, or the keyway in the crank, that it eventually like lodged itself in place, and it wouldn't allow the damper to go on any farther. And this damper has a built-in crank gear. So the crank gear was about ½ an inch closer to the front of the car, so the cam gears and the crank gear weren't aligned, so that's why the belt kept, you know, backing itself off. So he got a new key yesterday, and we tried to put it on, and as I already showed you, it happened again. This one's bent too. So he got another key today, and he's on his way here right now. So we're gonna try a third time to get this on. I hope we can get it on this time, so I'll keep you guys updated and I'll let you know when he gets here.
All right, so this guy didn't film any of this, so which right. There's like 1,000 videos on how to time your MIATA. It's all the same. Got it all timed. It looks a lot better, I think, with the black backing plate on there.
So third key's the charm.
Yeah, three keys, a couple holes in the wall. This thing's gonna kill me. So maybe tomorrow we'll get around to doing the catch can. The catch can's gonna go right behind the coolant overflow there. Looks a little something like that. It's got a couple baffles in there. We gotta fill it full of steel wool, but oh well. Till the next time.
Yeah. Till the next
right.
video.
Next one. Next one.